can you speak a little bit of the commercial averages for repair and replacing a full system?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, if you think about commercial, is the complexity of the system, including the number of systems, is actually what drives accuracy.
Sure.
And so, on average, when it's $5,000 for a residential system, it's actually around $6,500 to $7,000 for a commercial system.
And
But
that's to repair
to
it,
repair
just
it,
simply repair it to get
that's
it to
correct.
pre-loss condition. Yeah.
But to replace is significantly more. You're looking at anywhere between $14,000 and $18,000 to say for a system. That's not counting complex systems like chillers or things of that sort.
Sure.
What we find a lot on commercial is that it's not just one system. Many of the losses that we go out to is multiple systems on a rooftop, and the reality is uh, the maintenance on those don't happen as often that people believe that happens. So you can get up there and you can have a loss, and the reality of it is it's been ongoing for an extended period of time. You have equipment that's functioning, you have equipment that's not functioning. It's really important to capture those data points system by system, bring them back, look to the manufacturer regarding components that are available in order to give the most comprehensive report to the carrier or to the adjusters, so they feel confident that they are able to stand behind the report that they share with their policyholder.
Sure. Yeah.